Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will explore 100% effective natural methods to get rid of ants. First, we can start by identifying what is attracting ants to your home. Observe the path they are walking and check if there are any food or water sources along their routes. Whether it's a sticky drop of honey or a spoon left under the sink, even your pet's food sitting out can attract ants. Find what they're looking for and remove it. If you are lucky, the ants will go away on their own once you remove the source of attraction. If they don't leave, how do we repel them using natural methods? Let's watch together. White vinegar or white vinegar and water solution is a common method to completely eliminate ants. Ants don't like the smell of vinegar. This not only repels them, it can also kill them. Mix at least 1 cup of vinegar to 3 cups of water, depending on how strong you want the ants to be. If the aim is not just to remove the fleas, 100% vinegar or a glass of it is more effective. Add 1 cup of water to the vinegar and apply it. Ants use pheromones to leave a trail that other ants can follow to food. To eliminate the trail wherever you see ants, spray this mixture. Don't forget about window frames, back doors, or any entry points like baseboards. Use the solution to wipe and disinfect surfaces. If you use it once a week or even more often, you'll get good results. Ants hate the smell of citrus fruits like lemon, lime, and orange. That's why they make a perfect natural repellent. Save lemon or grapefruit peels. After chopping these up, sprinkle them around the entrances of your home. Ants act as a natural deterrent without causing harm. Peppermint oil is one of the best home remedies for slithering creatures. In your home or garden, add 10 drops of peppermint oil to a spray bottle and fill it with water. The smell of peppermint is sharp enough to cause headaches or nausea. It's strong enough to repel insects, ants, flies, and mosquitoes. It can be used at home or in the garden. You can add peppermint essential oil to your homemade household products. Or you can spray around door entrances, windowsills, and baseboards to keep pests away from your home. Studies show that cinnamon has a compound that effectively repels and kills ants. Place ground cinnamon around common entryways. Its strong scent will act as a natural repellent. Also, sprinkle ground cinnamon, or, to make it more effective, you can sprinkle cinnamon powder and cover it with cinnamon oil. You can place it near areas where ants are present. In the videos on my channel, I mentioned that cinnamon powder should be sprinkled on the roots during planting seedlings. It also keeps rodents away from the roots of the seedlings. Sprinkle table salt in the corners to keep ants away. The line you create with salt forms a barrier that pushes ants away, and while it doesn't kill them, it makes it thicker. A line of salt will temporarily push them away. Prepare a saltwater solution. Fill the spray bottle. Drying out the exoskeletons of ants will help deter them. Like many people, ants find the smell of raw chili pepper to be unpleasant. Sprinkle pepper where ants enter your home, or prepare a pepper solution for a more permanent solution. And spray it directly onto the ants. This solution is very effective in killing ants. It has also been proven effective against small flies in flower pots. If I explain how to prepare it in this video, it will take too long, so I will add it in the link above or in the descriptions. You can access the preparation video from the link. It is known that ground coffee keeps ants away. They found that Turkish coffee has the highest mortality rate among 3 species of ants: ghost ants, big-headed ants, and pharaoh ants. For the best results, brew fresh coffee and pour the used grounds in a wide line in the corners of your home where ants are present and near the windows. Used coffee grounds also help to keep away worms, snails, and slugs. Since the power of the coffee grounds will decrease as they dry throughout the day, it's beneficial to repeat the process several times. Mix equal parts of baking soda and powdered sugar in a container and place it in areas with heavy ant traffic. Or, similar to other tactics, sprinkle the mixture in a thick line along the baseboards and window sills. Powdered sugar attracts ants, and the sodium in the baking soda helps to dry out the ants' exoskeletons. Borax Solution is effective against cockroaches, palmetto bugs, and ants. Mix 1 teaspoon of borax with 3 teaspoons of sugar. Add warm water gradually to help the mixture dissolve. It should be slightly thick, like syrup. Dip a piece of cotton into the mixture and place the cotton wherever you see ants in your home. The sweetness of the sugar will attract the ants, and borax will kill them over time. Also, since borax doesn't kill ants immediately, it gives them time to take the borax solution back to their colonies. And this reduces the number of ants entering your home. Borax is toxic even for humans and animals. You should keep borax away from children, pets, and food. If you want to use borax more safely, make a few holes in the bottom of a container with a lid. I want to remind you to definitely change the cotton balls with borax every few days. Tear some bread into pieces and put them inside the box. And pour the borax sugar solution. Soak the bread thoroughly in the solution. Close the lid. The ants that enter through the holes will take the borax solution back to their nests along with the food they can carry. We've reached the end of the video. Share this video so that everyone can see it. And leave a comment below. At least some simple feedback like a thank you or a suggestion. Write it down. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. And if you're new to my channel, you can subscribe for free. To support me, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. Please remember that. I'll see you again in my next videos.